Hello friends, this is Miss Consuelo. Today I decided to read a book for you guys. It's called Grandpa and Me. I hope you guys are doing great, and you guys are being good listeners. And this is a peekaboo book. I know you really like those, where we get to find what's behind the little doors like those. Okay, can you see it? And maybe you can get creative, make a pizza, or get creative and order a pizza. Maybe Friday nights. That's a pretty good day to order pizza. Pizza night. So today's book is Grandpa and Me. They're going to make a pizza. And it says, Grandpa and I are going to make pizza. Where are our chef hats? Oh, there they are, Grandpa. Where are the hats? Peekaboo! In the closet! That's where our hat is. Let's go find out the next one. Ooh, what is this? We have eggs. Let's read what it says. First, we mix the pizza dough. Where's Grandpa's favorite spoon? Where's Grandpa's favorite spoon? Could it be under the eggs? Wow, it was behind the eggs. There it is. There's a spoon, blue spoon. Mix, mix, mix. What a good helper. Pretty sure you guys are good helpers in the kitchen too. You're good helpers in the class. Oh, look at this one. Ooh, they're rolling like we do our Play-Doh, just like that. Let's read what it says. Grandpa helps me roll the dough. Where is my rolling pin? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? You think it's right here? Let's see. Behind the bowl. There's a rolling pin. She's doing it with Grandpa. Oh, but it's behind the bowl. Hers is behind the bowl. Let's see what happens next. Ooh, what happens next? Wow. We throw the pizza in the air. Oh no, where did it go? Where did it go? Ah, there it is. It's up in the air. He threw it too high, Grandpa. Wow. You're strong. Let's see what this one says. Ooh, I think there's a little flap right here. Let me see. After I put on the sauce, I get to sprinkle the cheese. Where is the extra cheese? Sprinkle, sprinkle. Ooh, inside the refrigerator. Ooh, it's inside. Ooh, I see some carrots and maybe some lettuce. You want carrots and your pizza? Or lettuce? No, I think I'll just stick with cheese. Ooh, they made a cheese pizza. Let's see what it says. Grandpa puts the pizza in the oven. Where is my pretty oven mitt? Where's her mitt? Ooh, because if it gets hot, you need to wear a mitt. Let's see. Could it be right here? Oh, there it is. There's the mitt. It's under that towel. It was under that towel. There it goes. I can't wait to try that pizza. Ooh, look at that. Looks delicious, doesn't it? The cheese is all melted, but it's steaming hot. At last, the pizza's done, but we still have to do one more thing. What do they have to do? What do they have to do? Let's see. Ooh! Eat our yummy pizza! Look, it's a triangle shape. I love pizza. I like pineapple in my pizza, and I like peppers in my pizza, and I like ham. The Hawaiian pizza is my favorite. My daughter Sophia's pepperoni. And we get the pepperoni and cheese sometimes in our classroom too, huh? Remember? I know. Friends, I hope you like the book. And I'm going to put like an activity that we can move around, maybe dance. I'm dancing. So I'm going to add a dancing video for today. So you guys can, you had some sitting down with me and reading the book. So we'll do some gross motor too, some music and movement. Okay, friends? And then I will see you tomorrow. Besitos. Hugs. Pórtense bien. Behave. We'll see you tomorrow.